Here we will see indexing in SQL Server. Data in a table is stored in rows in an unordered structure called heap. If we have to fetch the data from a table, the query optimizer has to scan the entire table to retrieve the required rows. If a table has a large number of rows, then SQL Server will take a long time to retrieve the required rows. So to speed up the data retrieval, SQL Server has a special data structure called indexes. An index in SQL is a tool used to quickly identify the rows with specified column values. These are similar to the indexes at the end of the books, whose purpose is quickly finding a topic. An index contains a keys built from one or more columns in the table or view. These keys are stored in a structure called B tree that enables SQL Server to find the row or rows associated with the key values quickly and efficiently. An index is mostly created on one or more columns, which are commonly used in select clause or where clause. SQL indexes are primarily a performance tool, so they really apply if the database gets large, which helps to improve the performance of queries and applications. Next we'll see when indexes should be created. Indexes can be created when a column contains a wide range of values or a column does not contain a large number of null values, and when one or more columns are frequently used together in where clause or a join condition. And then we see when indexes should be avoided. Indexes should be avoided when the table is small or the columns are not often used as a condition in the query and when the column is updated frequently. Next we'll see advantages of using indexes in SQL Server. First is improved query performance. The primary reason for using indexes is to accelerate query processing. Indexes can drastically reduce the fetching time for the amount of data that server needs to examine. Efficient data access. Indexes provide a quick way to access raw data for select statement. This is particularly beneficial for tables with large number of rows. Sorting and grouping speed. Indexes improve the speed of data retrieval operations by providing the sorted version of the data, which is faster to process for order by and group by operations. Unique constraints. Indexes can be used to enforce uniqueness for a columns to ensure that no two rows of a table have duplicate values in a particular column or a combination of columns, and optimize the join operation. In databases with multiple tables, indexes improve the speed of join operations by quickly locating the joining rows in each table. Next is disadvantages of index in SQL Server. Apart from these advantages, indexes in SQL have some limitations too. First is overuse of indexes. While indexes speed up the data retrieval, they can slow down the data input through insert, update and delete statements. Each index needs to be updated when data is modified. Storage space. Indexes consumes additional disk space and maintenance overhead. Indexes need to be maintained and rebuilt over time, which can add overhead to database maintenance routines.